Welcome back to our channel, Namami Brain Academy. This is our third class. I hope you liked our previous classes. Today I am going to teach you all the daily phrases from English to Bodo. Let's start our class. I know you. Ang nangko sinayo. Ang nangko sinayo. I do not know you. Ang nangko sinaya. Ang nangko sinaya. Next, I understood. Ang buzibai. Ang buzibai. I did not understand. Ang buzia khai. Ang buzia khai. Now I understand. Ang dasa buzideng. Ang dasa buzideng. Again, I know you. Ang nangko sinayo. Ang nangko sinayo. I do not know you. Ang nangko sinaya. Ang nangko sinaya. I understood. Ang buzibai. Ang buzibai. I did not understand. Ang buzia khai. Ang buzia khai. Now I understand. Ang dasa buzideng. Ang dasa buzideng. Can you tell me? Nung angko bungno hagan nama. Nung angko bungno hagan nama. Where is this location? Be jayega bohadong. Be jayega bohadong. Speak slowly. Ese lasei railai. Ese lasei railai. Please say again. Onnane khemse bungbaulai. Onnane khemse bungbaulai. Where is this bus stop? Be bus nigraya bohadong. Be bus nigraya bohadong. How much did it cost? Beko bisbang rang lanai. Beko bisbang rang lanai. I don't need it. Angno beko nanga. Angno beko nanga. Next. Okay, you can go. De nang thangno hasigan. De nang thangno hasigan. No problem. I can handle. Jebo nonga de. Ang nainusei. Jebo nonga de. Ang nainusei. Again. How much did it cost? Be bisbang rang lanai. Be bisbang rang lanai. I don't need it. Angno beko nanga. Angno beko nanga. Okay, you can go. De nung thangna hasigan. De nung thangna hasigan. No problem. I can handle. Jebo nongla ang nainusei. Jebo nongla ang nainusei. Next, I will be right back. Ang dana pifingen. Ang dana pifingen. Next, what are you doing? Mak halamdeng. Mak halamdeng. I'm doing my work. Ang da khamani maugasinu. Ang da khamani maugasinu. Guwahati is a very nice place. Guwahatiya birat mojang jaiga. Guwahatiya birat mojang jaiga. I hope you have understood the 20 phrases that we have learned today. Let's continue with 10 polite Bodo expressions. Hello, which means khulumbai. Khulumbai. Thank you, which means gazanthang. Gazanthang. Sorry, which means nimaha. Nimaha. Please, which means onnane. Onnane. You are welcome, which means ador khalam nai. Ador khalam nai. How are you, which means ma khobor. Ma khobor. Best wishes from my side. Hamglai nai pahor nai thabai. Hamglai nai pahor nai thabai. Please come inside, which means onnane singau phide. Onnane singau phide. I will help you, which means ang nangko hepazab hogan. Ang nangko hepazab hogan. Please forgive me. Onnane nimaha hodo angko. Onnane nimaha hodo angko. Let's repeat again. Hello, khulumbai. Hello, khulumbai. Thank you, gazanthang. Thank you, gazanthang. Sorry, nimaha. Sorry, nimaha. Please, onnane. Please, onnane. You are welcome. Ador khalamnai. Ador khalamnai. You are welcome. Ador khalamnai. Ador khalamnai. How are you? Ma khobor. Ma khobor. Best wishes from my side. Hamglai nai bahor nai thabai. Hamglai nai bahor nai thabai. Please come inside. Onnane singau phide. Onnane singau phide. Again, please come inside. Onnane singaw फैदो. I will help you. आं नोंखौ हेफाजाब होगोन. आं नोंखौ हेफाजाब होगोन. Please forgive me. अन्नानै निमाहा होदो आंखौ. अन्नानै निमाहा होदो आंखौ. Again, please forgive me. अन्नानै निमाहा होदो आंखौ. Thank you for watching our video, and there will be more upcoming learning videos, and I hope you understood this lesson. If you have any suggestions and doubts, you can comment below.